Welcome back to the channel, outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers, to another exciting deep dive into the most innovative recreational vehicles hitting the market today. If you are tired of traditional, static floor plans that force you to compromise your lifestyle to fit inside a generic box, you will want to pay close attention. Today, we are exploring a revolutionary concept in the travel trailer industry that completely shatters the mold of camper design. Meet the Search4 Outdoors S4, a phenomenal modular and shape-shifting off-grid travel trailer that adapts entirely to suit any adventure. Produced by Search4 Outdoors, an ambitious fledgling RV manufacturer based in New Jersey, this rig is not just another white box on wheels. It is a highly specialized, purpose-built, configurable machine aimed directly at serious action sports enthusiasts. Whether you are a skier chasing fresh powder, a surfer tracking down coastal swells, or a mountain biker seeking aggressive single tracks, this trailer transforms to fit your highly demanding lifestyle. The fundamental philosophy behind the S4 is that the camper should adapt to the adventure, not the other way around. Modularity and slide-outs are standard solutions for space limitations, but this takes the concept to an unprecedented level. Customization is the core foundation of the product. At first glance, the S4 presents a compact towing profile. The manufacturer lists a towing length of 17 feet, which includes a 13-foot main habitation box and a 4-foot aerodynamic nose. This compact footprint ensures the trailer remains exceptionally easy to tow, allowing drivers to confidently navigate tight mountain roads and secluded trailheads. However, the true magic happens when you arrive at camp. Thanks to a brilliant expandable design, the trailer opens up and expands by over 30%, revealing a spectacular rear fold-out patio and sunroom enclosed by premium floor-to-ceiling glass. This ingenious expansion mechanism increases the usable living space from 13 feet to an expansive 20 feet, effectively giving you the ultimate indoor-outdoor living experience. What genuinely sets the S4 apart from everything else in the recreational vehicle sector is its fully transformable interior, completely devoid of any predetermined floor plan.
The company calls this system the E-terior, utilizing an extensive network of industrial-grade E-tracks installed virtually everywhere, including directly on the entry doors. This track system allows the interior components to be slotted into place and locked down like giant interlocking toy bricks, granting you the absolute freedom to relocate specific modules based entirely on your immediate needs. You can easily adjust the layout depending on your storage requirements, the specific gear you are hauling, or the number of people joining you. For instance, if you're heading out on a solo mission, you can configure the interior to feature 2 single beds with a front bathroom and a spacious kitchen. If you bring the whole family, you can completely rearrange the furniture to include bunk beds or even a full residential king-size bed, since the trailer boasts a generous 80-inch interior width. Amazingly, even heavy-duty components like the kitchen module, the diesel heater, and the self-contained wet bath equipped with a composting toilet can be moved anywhere inside. When it comes to construction and 4-season capability, the S4 refuses to compromise on durability. Recognizing the inherent flaws in traditional manufacturing, the builders ensured absolutely no wood was used in the structural construction of the trailer shell, making it impervious to rot and water damage. It is meticulously assembled on a hand-built steel frame, wrapped in a rugged aluminum exterior skin, lined with durable Asdel composite interior walls, and heavily insulated using natural Havelock wool. This premium wool insulation regulates moisture, reduces noise, and resists fire, working in harmony with nature to keep the cabin comfortable year-round. The exterior is further equipped with double-paned Arctic turn windows for maximum thermal efficiency, robust E-track anchor points to snap in additional gear, and a massive 12-foot awning to create a shaded base camp. Underneath, this single-axle Warrior rides on a premium Cruisemaster independent suspension system paired with aggressive Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires, ensuring it can handle the most punishing off-road trails with absolute ease. Reaching remote destinations requires serious off-grid autonomy, and the S4 delivers a masterclass in boondocking capabilities.
The standard electrical system is an absolute powerhouse, featuring an impressive 800 watts of Renogy solar panels mounted on the roof, feeding a massive 920 amp-hour heated lithium battery bank. For those traveling to windy coastal regions, the trailer comes completely pre-wired for a 400-watt wind turbine, providing a crucial secondary source of renewable energy. This robust setup effortlessly runs the 12-volt 10,000 BTU air conditioning unit, ensuring you stay cool without a noisy generator. For winter, you have multiple heating options, including a powerful diesel heater and intelligently placed ports for a compact wood-burning stove.
Other premium amenities designed to elevate your off-grid experience include a high-definition projector paired with a 70-inch screen, an integrated Vi-Air air compressor to air up your tires, and advanced water filtration. Ultimately, the Search4 Outdoors S4 represents the absolute pinnacle of modular off-grid travel, offering unparalleled freedom for those who demand a camper as dynamic as they are. Thank you for joining us, and do not forget to subscribe for more updates.